Hi, my name's Claire Worsbicky, and I did my research on the Three Sisters Garden and their multi-effectiveness. And I guess so. In this food yields and nutrient analysis of the Three Sisters, effectiveness, I'm like defining it as effectiveness in a multifaceted way: education, sustainability, and nutrient yield. And when regarding that nutrient yield, in this article, it's measured in the sense of protein and energy per acre or hectare of land. And so the Three Sisters is a polyculture that originated in North America in their traditional senses, and indigenous people have practiced this for time immemorial. And it consists of corn, beans, and squash, and they all together create this polyculture that supports each other's growth. And this article, or in this research, goes to investigate just how that compares to monoculture systems, which is growing one crop solely in one area of land. And so the results showed that, the Three Sisters did produce more in protein and in energy, comparatively to the monocultured systems. And many experiments were conducted to determine this in a varied fashion. And so, not only were the Three Sisters producing more, they holistically contained beneficial macronutrients that are pretty essential to our sustenance. And so that was factored in as well, because pumpkins contain amino acids, beans contain the protein, and corn contains that energy and carbohydrates. And so, when regarding this article, I ventured out and explored other sources, and it came to the theme of like the multiplicity of it. And so we mostly use corn. 19% of the corn we only consume 19% of the corn we produce, and most of it goes to livestock and alcohol after we eat it. And then another aspect of it is education. So when they did a curriculum with the Three Sisters, it increased the engagement due to that like cognitive and emotional learning that the elements that Three Sisters have. And it was really influential on helping students understand how polyculture works and how that can be beneficial, and maybe slowly start to change generationally the minds of agriculture systems that we have today. And also, these systems were much more resilient. They have a diverse polyculture, which means they're more resilient to pests and diseases. There are 250 varieties of corn, but we only grow certain ones. And so these pests have developed fine-tuned senses of how to attack these crops. And when you grow them all in one and you just have a simultaneously like homogeneous crop, it's very easy for these pests to go and attack and destroy your yield. So in conclusion, the Three Sisters is able to be so resilient, and through education and creating that diversity, you're able to yield more food and create that like emotional and cognitive learning between intergenerations. So younger kids can do this, older kids can do this, old people, everyone of all ages can experience this learning. So I think that was something that was really cool.